वेलनेस की फीलिंग देगा और हमारे जो व्यक्तित्व है उसको और निखारेगा। तो इसी उसमें आज हमारे पहले मैं चेयरपर्सन जो सेशन के हैं प्रोफेसर गुंडू राव, who is emeritus professor department of laboratory medicine and pathology, University of Minnesota, USA.
Thought and thought for food. Before starting about this lecture, I would like to say something. डॉक्टर साहब आपको सुनना है। डॉक्टर साहब आपके बारे में कुछ कह रहे हैं। 1 मिनट आप सुन लीजिए, उसके बाद आप चले जाइएगा। Dr. Saab has told very good thing, and actually we used to tell to the students that what you have to do, what you don't have to do, and he has not only explained, but he has given the practical demonstration. That was very good. One thing I would like to add, that you clap sometime. Yes, you have to clap, I will tell you. But the clapping should be in a very high pitch. Keep in your mind, because this is a kind of exercise which you must perform. So if you are clapping in a very casual way, that is not fair. So if you want to do exercise here, you have to clap whether you like a lecture or you don't like a lecture, but clapping is a very good exercise. Number 2, afternoon. Sure. So that is also a kind of exercise. Number 2, if you are tired, do it. You can do it today. If you feel tired, you have come here from the morning and you are listening a lot of lecture and you feel tired, please sit down with your friends, throw a joke and laugh a lot. That is also a kind of exercise and you will be relaxed. If you are laughing by heart, that is very good. But if you are not laughing internally, that is also very good for your health. You can laugh at any time. When you go to your home, you can sit in your room and you can laugh by thinking something of this conference. That is also very good for the health. But if you laugh a lot everywhere, then there is a possibility that your parents may take you to a doctor. That is also a problem. Now, the topic is Gandhian nutrition, a food for thought and thought for food. In the beginning, I would like to thank really the organizer, especially the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Nilima Gupta, and of course, Dr. Katiyar, who has taken a lot of pains for the successful organization of this program. And believe me, since I was also involved in some of the international congress in Allahabad, and at least more than 22 foreigners, white foreigners, I mean from USA, from Canada, from Japan, they came, and I know that what is the problem. And that's why whenever Katiyar has written me even a single line, I have replied immediately that I will do this thing. This was only because I was knowing the problem of International Congress. Now, the third point comes that my field is entirely different. I am a student of, say, neurophysiology, neuroanatomy. So I thought that if I will talk something about the electrophysiology over here, nobody will understand. So it is better that at the present moment we are celebrating 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. So the whole country is celebrating it, and I have delivered this lecture at 2 or 3 different places, of course with the minor variation. So I thought that it is nice that I talk about the Gandhian nutrition. If you see the topic food for thought and thought for food. And you have to understand the meaning of it, and it relates directly with the Mahatma Gandhi. You will come to know after some time. But if it is food for thought, means the food which you are taking that gives you a thought, and thought which comes in your mind that comes because of the food. So let us see this story, that how it is going on. When we are talking about the food for thought, it means that it should be, the food should be very pure. And when it is pure, you know there are three things: विकास, सात्विक है, तामसिक है, राजसी है. इसके बारे में you all must be knowing. And then what you will get? That if you take the sattvic food, you have to understand the meaning of it, that this type of food is very light and you can digest it very nicely. Anything which provides good mental health, that is actually the sattvic food. There are many points. You don't, of course it becomes vegetarian food, and you don't kill any animal. And when you don't kill any animal, then you feel that I should be happy that I have not harmed anybody. It gives a good feeling that you are vegetarian. And of course, it is correct also. Morally also correct. You don't have to kill anybody. And when we talk about sattvic food, it should be vegetarian. It cannot be non-vegetarian food. And believe me, it increases, it has been proved that it increases the energy of the body. Now, if you see tamasic, it is just reverse. That it is very heavy. If you take tamasic food, you have to kill one animal. You get, you become angry also sometime. Meat, fish, mushroom, alcohol, fermented food particles. It really gives a bad feeling after eating. It becomes very heavy. It causes harm to the animals because you are killing them. And of course, it becomes morally incorrect. All the points which I have talked about the sattvic, that is just reverse in the case of tamasic. And rajasic, it is entirely different. But what you will find, that it can create some irritation because it is very hot and spicy food. And other characteristic, you can say that it is like tamasic food. For example, if you take the pickles, that becomes actually tamasic food, and non-vegetarian food is also included in rajasic food. Now, thought for food means the food which goes in the alimentary canal, and then it provokes directly to the brain. That is actually the thought for the food. It gives really a mental stimulation, and of course micronutrients, phytonutrients, they are also present. It is all scientific. Science is involved in this. I will just prove it. I will just tell you that how the science is there. When Gandhiji was talking about these things, there was no much science. 100 साल 150 साल पहले के पेपर को मैंने छानना शुरू किया, and I could not get why Gandhiji used to take these things and why he was advocating, because he was talking his experiments with the truth. Everything, whatever he has done, whatever he has written, he made an experiment on himself, and after that he has given the idea that what others should do it. So don't think that Gandhiji has not taken non-vegetarian food. He has taken non-vegetarian food, and after that he told that you have to take vegetarian food because of certain reasons. Now, this is the list which Gandhi ji used to take in a small amount every day or some day whenever he has to eat. Talk about the germinated wheat. हम लोग भी आजकल we are very fond of germinated wheat. I mean sprouts, if you say. Why we are taking sprouts? It is only because it contains a lot of vitamins, micronutrients, and the roughage also, protein also. Now almonds, generally we talk whether it is green or it is sweet almonds, whatever it is. But almonds, we say that don't take cashew nuts, but almonds every day should be taken. Why almonds should be taken? Because it contains vitamin E. टीवी में आप बहुत एडवर्टीजमेंट देखते हैं कि अगर ये क्रीम लगाइए तो इसमें विटामिन ई होता है और आपकी जो स्किन है दैट विल बी कंप्लीटली चेंज्ड. वो कभी चेंज नहीं होती. बट विटामिन ई इज देयर. विटामिन ई की क्वालिटी ये नहीं होती कि वो आपके स्किन को चेंज कर दे, कलर चेंज कर दे. बस उसकी क्वालिटी ये होती है कि आपके स्किन को हेल्दी रखे. एंड व्हेन द सेल्स आर हेल्दी, मॉर्निंग से हम लोगों ने खूब सुना है कैंसर के बारे में. देयर इज वन पॉइंट दैट इफ द सेल्स ऑफ योर बॉडी आर हेल्दी, यू विल नॉट हैव द कैंसर. एंड इट कैन ओनली हैपन व्हेन you are free from many different type of the problem, and you can make yourself free from the problem when you see Gandhi ji. You have heard the name of Gandhi ji, but are you following Gandhi? यहाँ पे इतने लोग बैठे हुए हैं, क्या गांधी जी को फॉलो करते हैं? गांधी जी के 5%, 10%, 1%, if you follow, you will be benefited. So track change ना हो. Lemon. Gandhi ji told that I used to take 6-7 lemons every day. लेकिन अगर आप 1 या 2 नींबू का रस प्रतिदिन आप लेते हैं अर्ली मॉर्निंग में या डे टाइम में, तो believe me, after 3 months, if you are having high amount of the cholesterol and triglycerides in your blood, that will be reduced. Do it. Take my telephone number and you can abuse me that nothing has happened. It will happen that cholesterol and the triglycerides of the blood will go down by taking lemon every day. जिन लोगों को ये प्रॉब्लम है, अगर उनके पेरेंट्स को, उनके घर में और बड़ों को या छोटों को भी, तो लेमन शुड बी टेकन एवरी डे. अगर मॉर्निंग के अंदर 1 गिलास गर्म पानी में, हल्के गर्म पानी में आप 1 नींबू का रस पीते हैं, तो विद इन 3 months योर फैट कंटेंट ऑफ द ब्लड विल गो डाउन. आप करके इसको देखिएगा एंड देन यू कैन टेल मी. पीपल ऐड हनी आल्सो. इट हैज आल्सो ए रीजन. फ्रेश फ्रूट्स एंड नट्स. Professor Ashok Kumar has told in the last few slides, all the time he has shown that fresh fruit and nuts. Why? Because it is full of antioxidant. But keep in your mind that 100 साल पहले एंटीऑक्सीडेंट के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा मालूम नहीं था या नहीं मालूम था. Even then Gandhi ji educated that you must take the fresh fruit and nuts. Raw vegetables. There were 2 points about the raw vegetables. Gandhi ji told that you must grow food on your plate so that the females, mother हैं, wife हैं, उनको ज़्यादा कुक ना करना पड़े. तो raw fruits and vegetables should be taken. From the morning to this time, a lot of the things have been told about the fruits and vegetables, that how many times you should take it. But Gandhi ji told, see his vision. 100 साल उन्होंने बताया था, when there was no word like cancer. If I remember well, in 1960s, when the word cancer, we heard about the cancer, तो ज़्यादा नहीं मालूम होता था, थोड़ा सा मालूम था, किताब में भी बहुत कम था. तो हम लोग ये कहा करते थे कि जिसके बारे में ज़्यादा न मालूम हो उसको कह दो कि ये बीमारी जो है अमेरिका में होती है, क्योंकि इतनी दूर कौन जाएगा पता करने के लिए। कर्ड, फ्रूट्स, अनपॉलिश्ड राइस, ब्राउन राइस के बारे में हम लोग बहुत बात करते हैं आजकल। मिलेट्स, नाउ इट इज डेलिकेसी। अगर आप मिलेट्स की एक रोटी आप खाएं तो दैट इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव इन 5 स्टार होटल। मिलेट्स कभी कोई यूज नहीं करता था, ये गरीबों का खाना हुआ करता था। लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, सोया बीन्स, लीन सीड्स, गुड़, गुआवा सीड्स, ग्राउंडनट केक, बॉइल्ड वेजिटेबल। आप इसमें देखिए, इसमें घर में इसको कुक करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एंड इट इज ऑल सेफ एंड यू गेट very good health by taking these things. Keep in your mind, because I will have to repeat many things. When I am talking about the experiments with the truth, Bapu actually he said experiments with the truth. However, his dietary habits have not been explored or less explored. उनके खाने के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं एक्सप्लेन किया गया है, लेकिन उन्होंने अपने ऑटोबायोग्राफी में जो लिखा है उसके बारे में मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ। डाइटरी हैबिट आपने देखा इसकी पहली वाली स्लाइड में, he has taken all the things which is really good and relevant at the present moment. There are two more things about the garlic and the onion. He always educated that the garlic and onion should be taken because it has a very good nutritional value, and this is true also. What is the nutrition in the garlic and onion? Take the onion. It is a very good stimulant. It is a stimulant because the precursors of the hormone, precursors of the sex hormone, which is required in the body of the human being, male or female, that is in the onion. It also decreases the cholesterol level. आप जितनी किताब में आप पढ़ेंगे, I have not seen the literature, but I am telling you, it also decreases the cholesterol level of the body, and it maintains the blood pressure. And that's why all the time people say that take the raw onion, don't cook it. उसके जो केमिकल्स कंपोनेंट हैं उनको आप खत्म करने की या कम करने की कोशिश ना करें। इसमें खूब सारे एंटीऑक्सीडेंट होते हैं। जिनको हेयर की प्रॉब्लम है, ब्लैक हेयर की प्रॉब्लम है, आजकल तो ऑनियन के रस को सर में लगा के संडे के दिन 2 घंटे 4 घंटे घर पे लोग बैठते हैं कि हेयर ब्लैक हो जाए और हेयर फॉल ना हो। आप करके देखिएगा, यू विल गेट सम रिजल्ट। बोन की डेंसिटी बढ़ाता है, ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस, ये दीज आर द थिंग्स व्हिच आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट इज नोन एट द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट, बट गांधी जी वाज टेलिंग एट दैट टाइम दैट यू मस्ट टेक द रॉ ऑनियन। एंड द सेम थिंग इज विद द गार्लिक। Garlic also contains a compound which has many medical properties. Immune system, immunity is one thing which is being helped, which is helping the whole body in a working in a very nice way. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है तो कहते हैं इम्यूनिटी बहुत कम थी। आपके इम्यून सिस्टम की प्रॉब्लम है। अगर आपकी इम्यूनिटी ठीक होती, जो वाइट पैचेस होते हैं बॉडी के अंदर शुरुआत जब होती है, दैट इज आल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ द इम्यूनिटी, दैट इम्यूनिटी इज लेस एंड दैट्स व्हाई दैट स्पॉट्स हैज कम। वो मेलानिन का एक्यूमुलेशन नहीं हो पाता उस पार्ट में बॉडी में, फिर वो इतनी तेज फैलता है। उसके लिए भी कहा जाता है कि वन शुड टेक द गार्लिक, एंड इट हैज the nutrition which contains the magnesium, vitamin B6, selenium, fiber, calcium, copper, potassium, iron, vitamin B1, everything, magnesium, जो यहाँ पे केमिस्ट्री के स्टूडेंट हो गए उनको मालूम है कि एक रिएक्शन लिखते हैं, बीच में लिखते हैं एरो बना के Mg++. Why? Just to increase the chemical reaction that you have put the magnesium. So in the body a lot of activities are going on, reactions are going on, and that becomes actually the magnesium. And for everything you have some good thing. The quality is such that the taste is very bitter, but it also improves the cholesterol level. लोग 1 या 2 pieces garlic के अर्ली मॉर्निंग में खाते हैं और उनका भी कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल. आई एम नॉट सेइंग अबाउट द डिक्रीज इन द कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल इन द ब्लड because of the garlic, because I have not done it. I have never made any experiment on myself. People are telling or it has given in the literature. But if I am talking about the lemon, since I have done it, that's why I am telling you that you have to take the lemon every day, at least 1 or 2 lemons, just to decrease the cholesterol level of your blood. Now, flax seed. Now it is very common that you take the flax seed. जैसे ही भी कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ता है या कोई प्रॉब्लम ब्लड की आती है या हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम आती है, people say you take the flax seed. And Gandhi ji told that flax seed, जिन घरों में फ्लक्स सीड यूज किया जाता है उनके यहाँ बीमारी नहीं आती. And the flax seed contains omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B1, B6, folate, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus and potassium. And only 1 spoon of the flax seed helps a lot to the human body. It also protects cancer. It lowers the cholesterol level, it improves the blood sugar, and if there is a constipation and there are many other, it protects from the radiation also that is been given in the different, literature. Because everything which is based here, everything which I have made as a slide, so I have compared 2 things. One, the experiments with the Gandhi, whatever he has told, and then the second part is that really what is there, what are the chemicals present over there, that was not known at that time. And in the nutritional study in Hyderabad, everything, whatever has been written here, they have proved that Gandhi ji was correct, and he was correct because these things are present. Now, he always talked about the non-violence. Non-violence is also very healthy. आप जानते हैं non-violence, हम लोग बहुत जल्दी नाराज हो जाते हैं. क्लास में जरा से भी लड़ाई हुई, कल देखेंगे, और रात भर सोचते रहते हैं कि किस तरीके उस दोस्त को कल ह्यूमिलेट किया जाए. दोस्त अब तो सेल फोन है, सब टेलीफोन पे बात करेंगे कि उसको कल देखना है, ये करना है. आप देखिए व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन द बॉडी. You are increasing the secretion. Keep in mind, जो लोग नहीं जानते, हार्मोन का नाम नहीं जानते, वो भूल जाएं, लेकिन केवल ये समझे कि what is going on in the body. Secretion of epinephrine increases when you are violent, and after some time it is being, I would not say diluted, but it will come to normal by the secretion of epinephrine, or you can say another word, adrenaline or noradrenaline. And when there is a secretion of adrenaline and noradrenaline, 2 chemicals in the body, it inhibits the secretion of the insulin, and then there is a possibility of the type 2 diabetes. इसका मतलब जो लोग हमेशा दुखी रहते हैं या तमाम तरीके की परेशानियों से घिरे रहते हैं, उनको type 2 diabetes, that is acquired one, and that is being taken. So why he talked about the non-violence? It is only because उस समय डायबिटीज इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं होती थी, लेकिन इस समय डायबिटीज बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, और हर दूसरा आदमी, चौथा आदमी, तीसरा आदमी डायबिटीज से पीड़ित है. It is only because the change in the physiology, जो कि बताया कि lifestyle disease, it is lifestyle disease. It is being acquired by us. हम इसको लेते हैं और अपने ऊपर लेके और फिर दवा खाना शुरू करते हैं, मेटफॉर्मिन करना शुरू कर देते हैं, और फिर उसके बाद धीरे 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 जो पेंक्रियास का फंक्शन है वो खत्म होता जाता है, इंसुलिन का सिक्रीशन नहीं होता। जितना आप नाराज होंगे, जितना आप दुखी होंगे, जितना आप परेशान रहेंगे, नॉन वायलेंट रहेंगे, आप देखेंगे कि पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग द डायबिटीज। Now these are the things which if you are non-violent, it reduces stress. It is you can be very peaceful and calm. You will not get the hypertension. Heart disease will be lowered, and there are any other stress. If we are talking, the stress will be reduced. और तब आप when there is no stress in the body, then the condition of the body, the reaction which are taking place, that will be in a positive way. अब ये तो सबने बताया है कि go to the bed early and wake up early. Fasting can promote health. It is only because it cleans your body. आपके एलिमेंट्री कैनाल को साफ करता है, बॉडी के हर पार्ट को कहीं ना कहीं मदद मिलती है. That is also good. And it was told about the Gandhiji, and he was keeping fast all the time. Now he has told that a genuine fast decreases the body, mind and soul, and it crucifies the flesh and to the extent set the soul free. इन्होंने बहुत बड़ी बात कही है सोल के लिए. कई इनके जो है कोट्स उसके अंदर दिए हुए थे, that I have taken and I have taken from his book. Now benefits of fasting, we have talked about it. ग्रोथ हार्मोन का सिक्रीशन भी फास्टिंग से बढ़ता है. ग्रोथ हार्मोन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ द प्रोटीन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड द लिपिड, एंड दैट इज आल्सो वेरी गुड फॉर द हेल्थ. ब्रेन के फंक्शंस को बूस्ट करता है. जिस दिन अगर आपको नींद नहीं आ रही है और आप एक फूड को स्किप कर दें रात के समय का, आप देखिएगा यू विल हैव ए वेरी गुड स्लीप. आप दिन भर फास्ट रखिए, शाम को खाना खा लीजिए लाइट फूड, सात्विक फूड, आप देखिए आपको बहुत अच्छी नींद आएगी. मेडिटेशन, whether you talk about the running, you talk about the morning walk, evening walk, you talk about the say yoga practice, that he was doing that, and he was very fast in going from one place to another place, and that's why he advocated. उन्होंने क्या कहा था, गांधी जी ने ये कहा था कि those who are taking food and not doing any exercise, it means that they are taking stolen food. मतलब वो लोग चोरी किया हुआ खाना खाते हैं जो लोग की खाने के बाद या पहले एक्सरसाइज वगैरह योगा वगैरह नहीं करते. मेडिटेशन के हेल्थ बेनिफिट, स्लीपिंग को बताया हमने आपको कि इम्प्रूव करता है, एंजाइटी को कम करता है, स्ट्रेस को कम करता है. देयर आर मेनी बेनिफिट्स and you can feel it and you can see it. Benefits of running, ब्रेन के फंक्शंस को जो इम्प्रूव करेगा ही, साथ में आप देखेंगे कि जो मसल्स पावर है दैट विल आल्सो इंक्रीज. जो लोग दुबले हैं उनके लिए कहा जाता है कि आप रन करिए, जो लोग मोटे हैं उनके लिए भी कहा जाता है रन करिए. दोनों में फर्क होता है. जो लोग दुबले होते हैं उनकी मसल्स जब ब्रेक करती है रन करने से, तो वहाँ पे जो फाइबर्स बनते हैं, तो फूड बिकम्स इंटायरली डिफरेंट फॉर बोथ द पर्सन्स. एंड इफ यू आर रनिंग, यू वांट टू बिकम स्लिम एंड यू आर टेकिंग द फूड फॉर दोज हु वांट टू बिकम हेल्दी, तो आप समझ लीजिए दैट विल बी डिजास्टर. होता ये है कि जब आप मॉर्निंग वॉक करना शुरू करते हैं और घर लौट के आते हैं तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगती है. अगर आपने भर पेट खूब खाना खा लिया तो आप देखेंगे कि 1 महीने आप चलने के बाद 2 kg से लेके 5 kg तक वेट आपका फिर बढ़ जाएगा. So you have to think of why you are running and then you have to regulate your food habit. आप अपने डाइट को रेगुलेट करिए watch करिए that what you are taking. Avoid alcohol and tobacco. किसने बताया था कि tobacco causes cancer उस समय? But he always said, Gandhi ji always said that avoid alcohol and tobacco, always think positive, and forgiveness, that is also main thing. जब कभी आप किसी को क्षमा कर देते हैं, तो what is the meaning of it? That you change the physiology of your body. That goes in a very positive way. Mental attitude, positive mental attitude, everything has been given. Work environment will be very nice if you are keeping the positive attitude. It boosts creativity, increases collaboration. किसी से आपकी problem नहीं होगी. It reduces stress and builds better relationship with the other persons. Now, at the present moment, what is happening that we are talking about these food material because there are 3 antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin E and beta carotene. So, everything which we talk at the present moment, Gandhi ji told that it should be taken. The only difference was that we talk about the science part of it, that why it should be taken, but he has never told that. He did one experiment with the nutrition. He went to England. तो पहली बात तो उन्होंने किया कि जितने कंटिमेंट्स वगैरह थे, जितने स्पाइसेस थे जो इंडिया से वो लेके गए थे, he left that and he said that I will not use it. Second time what he did, that he went to a restaurant and he found that there are 3 kinds of the dinner. In one there are 7 courses of dinner, in which non-vegetarian is also there, and in another there are only 2 or 3 courses of dinner. So he has taken both. The first dinner was very expensive, the second was very good, इसमें पालक वगैरह दिया जाता था. So he gave the idea that in addition to the nutrition, the food which I have taken, the second food which I have taken, that was really very good. It was only because that was very cheap. तो उन्होंने कहा कि पैसे अगर आपको बचाने हैं तो आपको वेजिटेरियन, और ही बिकेम द प्रेसिडेंट आल्सो. एक उन्होंने सोसाइटी बनाई जिसके अंदर की ही बिकेम प्रेसिडेंट, दूसरे लोग भी, और जितने वेजिटेरियंस थे सबको उनको साथ रखा और उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करके दिखाया कि आई एम बेटर देन द पर्सन्स हु आर नॉन वेजिटेरियन. नॉन वेजिटेरियन के अंदर भी उन्होंने बहुत सारे चीज़ों को कैटेगराइज किया. उन्होंने कहा मीट वाले जो हैं, फिश वाले जो हैं, एग वाले जो हैं. फिश वालों को पहले उन्होंने रिमूव किया कि नो, दिस इज नॉट ए फ्लैश, इट कैन कम इन द वेजिटेरियन. उसी तरीके एग को उन्होंने कहा कि इट कैन कम इन द वेजिटेरियन, बट अल्टीमेटली ही सेड ऑल द 3 आर नॉन वेजिटेरियन एंड द वेजिटेरियन फूड दैट कंटेन्स ओनली vegetables, boiled one, and with the bread which he was taking. Now vitamin C rich food material, he was very fond of citrus fruits, kiwi, cauliflower. It was only because it contains vitamin C. Now these are also, first it was said that one apple keeps the doctor away. Now one banana keeps the doctor away. It is only that properties of the banana, the chemical components of the banana is more than apple. Vitamin E, आप कहेंगे कि बादाम है, it is very expensive. बादाम या जो सेम आता है, सेम के केमिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली सेम है जो बादाम के होते हैं. बादाम में भी 500-600 रुपीज़ ए केजी, 1200 रुपीज़ ए केजी, और जो सेम है वो 30-40-50 रुपीज़ ए केजी. तो जब भी आप सेम खाएं तो इट मीन्स दैट यू आर टेकिंग बादाम. Now, same इसके बारे में हमने बात किया. Peas also contains a lot of vitamin E. जितने भी in the morning Professor Ashok Kumar told about the chilies, even the green chilies, even the red chilies, the color component of the fruits and vegetables are full of antioxidant, that is beta carotene. And now in America, ये नहीं कि बहुत दूर है कोई पता नहीं करेगा. They make a diet from Monday to Saturday, and one day they will take the red fruits and vegetable. Second day, the green one. Third day, another one. And on Sunday you can do anything, whatever you wish. Lycopene, tomato. Tomato contains lycopene, and this lycopene is really helpful in preventing the cancer. अगर जितने लोग यहाँ पे जितने बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं, अगर lycopene आप टमाटो लेते हैं, you can take tomato in any form. Whenever you get the tomato, you must take it, whether it is raw, whether you cook it, whether you boil it, whatever you did, lycopene will not be destroyed. And that is very good antioxidant which helps to prevent cancer. एक और बहुत important बात थी about the milk. All the time he was saying that the milk and milk products are not good for the health. One should not take it. अब आप इस समय की बात देखिए, अभी मैं बात कर रहा था, जितनी पनीर एक दिन में जो हम लोगों के खर्चे होते हैं शादी ब्याह में, कैन यू थिंक ऑफ साल भर में भी वो जो प्रोडक्शन है वो हमारा इंडिया में नहीं हो सकता. Why it is so? It is only because we are getting synthetic paneer, and the taste of synthetic paneer is better than the normal paneer. Milk which we are making synthetically, that is better than the milk which we are getting from the goat's milk. Goat's milk, always he was advocating to take the goat milk. It is only because the allergens present in the milk, that is 10 to 12, types of allergens that is found in the buffalo's milk. But here there is no. Calcium content is more in the goat's milk as compared to the buffalo milks or the cow milk. The fat content, fat globules, they are having very good and light in the goat's milk. And I have compared goats with the cow milk, and you will find that goat's milk are definitely better than the cow milk. Facts about the milk which I have told you just now. Health benefits, whatever this is the, whenever flax seeds become a regular food items among the people, there will be a better health. किसको मालूम था कि flax seed के अंदर क्या क्या चीज होती है? Health benefits of being the vegetarian, healthier cholesterol level. अगर if you are vegetarian, cholesterol will not increase. Lower risk of developing cancer, lower risk of cardiovascular risk factor. कहा जाता है जितने भी डॉक्टर्स हैं वो कहते हैं कि if you want to save your heart, you must take a huge amount, large amount of boiled vegetables and vegetarian food material. That is really very good for your health. This is the Gandhiji who told that I will not take milk product or the meat. If not taking these things, should I mean death? I feel that I would like to face it. Means he preferred death rather than taking non-vegetarian food. There are some many good things, because the time is also, I have to see for the others. I was given in the beginning only 20 minutes, but it is more than 20 minutes. He told that you have to become vegetarian, you limit your salt, you limit your sweet, the raw sweet product, rejecting processed food, because when you put processed food, if you take processed food, it having some chemicals in that, that is very harmful. Eating raw food, fasting, that is very good. Grow your food material in the plate. It means that you don't have to cook. And so he has given many experiments and told that why I am telling. These eating, he has given a term, ethical eating. So that is also good. Generally people, we don't use at the present moment about the ethical eating. एक और गांधी जी ने बहुत अच्छी बात कही, चूंकि हिंदी का सप्ताह अभी कुछ दिन पहले चला था, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का एक प्लान है, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि देयर इज वन लैंग्वेज, देयर शुड बी वन लैंग्वेज, वेदर इट इज हिंदी, हिंदी को थोपना नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन देयर शुड बी ए लैंग्वेज फॉर वन कंट्री. एक और बहुत अच्छे एक्सपेरिमेंट इन्होंने बताए और देखा, जिसको कि मैं कोट करना चाहूँगा, इसीलिए मैं इसको लेके आया हूँ. बस लास्ट मैं उनके एक सेंटेंस को कोट करना चाहता हूँ. जब मॉर्निंग में प्रार्थना सभा होती थी तो उसके बाद ही यूज्ड टू टेल समथिंग. ही सेड दैट टुडे इज माय बर्थडे, फॉर मी दिस इज द डे ऑफ मॉर्निंग. I am surprised, ashamed that I am still alive. Today no one listened to me. इनका कहने का मतलब ये था कि जितनी चीज वो फूड हैबिट के बारे में बता रहे थे, लोग उसको फॉलो नहीं कर पा रहे थे. And that's why in the beginning I have put a question that you are following Mahatma Gandhi. There are many other things also, but thank you very much. Thanks for giving me more than 1 minute.
क्या हुआ कि एक कल्चरेशन के कारण, जिसे हम कहते हैं कि वेस्टर्न इन्फ्लुएंस के कारण काफ़ी सारा लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशन हो गया और अब लाइफस्टाइल चेंज हो गया. और अब ये टाइम आ गया है कि हम अपना लाइफस्टाइल फिर से मॉडिफाई करें. और जो आपने बताया कि थॉट फॉर फूड, जिसमें हमारे लाइफस्टाइल्स में न्यूट्रिशन आता है, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी आता है, और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो हमारे थॉट्स हैं, तीनों पे हमको वर्क करना पड़ेगा. तभी हम हेल्दी समाज के बारे में सोच सकते हैं, हेल्दी इंडिविजुअल के बारे में सोच सकते हैं. और न्यूट्रिशन ऑब्वियसली आपने बहुत डिटेल में डिस्क्राइब करा कि क्या क्या हमारे कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं फूड्स के, जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स कहाँ से मिलते हैं. तो ये सब चीज़ें अब हमको अपने एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट में लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. काफ़ी सारी जानकारी अब समाज में हो चुकी है, अवेयरनेस हो चुकी है, बट इसको एक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और इसके लिए हम सीनियर्स को, हमारे माता पिता को, हमारे जो भी ऐसे कोलीग्स हैं जो कि इन चीज़ों को फॉलो करते हैं, सबको इस चीज़ों को हमारे जो आगे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है उसको उसके बारे में बताना होगा और प्रमोट करना होगा. सो थैंक यू सो मच.
एक सब्मिशन है, ऑप्शन ही है कि न्यूट्रिशन को पढ़ाना तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन साथ में खिलाना भी चाहिए. टू चेंज द हैबिट, पढ़ाने साथ अगर खिलाएं तो यू विल हैव ए बेटर सिग्निफिकेंस.
बिल्कुल सही बात कही है प्रोफेसर साहब ने कि आजकल का जो कल्चर है उसमें हम बच्चों को फ्रूट्स खाना नहीं सिखाते हैं कि मॉर्निंग में फ्रूट्स दें. वो फास्ट फूड की तरफ ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं. तो हमारा कहना है कि गांधी के जो फूड सिस्टम है उसको बच्चे अपनाएं और देखें, पढ़ें, और उसके ऊपर जो इतना मतलब प्रोफेसर सरकार है वो भी बताते हैं कि क्या क्या चीज़ पाई जाती है फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स में और फ्रेश फ्रूट्स में. तो मेरे ख्याल से वो लेना चाहिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
इसके बाद अब सम्मान देने की बारी. सर ऊपर आइए, ऊपर दोनों काम कर लेंगे.
Of camel milk, राजस्थान में camel milk is also now being available. और ऐसी स्टडीज की गई है कि जिस एरिया में camel milk is being used, the incidence of diabetes is minimum, and therefore this is what I wanted to convey over here. In Rajasthan, it's available.
देखने दो अंकल को, अब क्या करें, वो मेन तो उन्हीं का काम है।
मैं आमंत्रित कर रहा हूँ डॉक्टर पीयूष मिश्रा को।